Hi, ladies and gentlemen, back with another food review. Today's food review, we're going to be talking about turtle chips, Korean chicken flavor, sweet and spicy, baby. I got it. Let's try it. Oh, and another food review. We got another new one we got in today is Kellogg. We got Kellogg's Pop-Tarts, frosted lemon blueberry crumble. See? Blueberry crumble, ladies and gentlemen. This is how we gotta do it. Blueberry crumble. Let's try it. This tastes like so. I can get it open. Oh, dude. Oops. Number 8. Open it. I can't open these things. Oh, wow. You know what? We'll go back to that one. Let's open these up. Let's try them to see what they taste like. Come back there, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, look at all that. Look at that. Look at all that blueberry. Look at all that blueberry right there. That looks crazy, don't it? So good, so good. I highly recommend y'all, like everybody out there, getting lemon frosted blueberry crumble. Wow, so good. So very good. I'm glad I got these. So good. This has been a food review today. Join me next time as I try to get these stupid things open for the next food review. So join me. Have a good day. Be safe. Enjoy the weather. Peace. Join me next time for another food review.